Let's paint this watercolor Christmas card together. Start by drawing a circle and then a base underneath that circle to create your snow globe. And then you're going to take a nice medium wash of blue paint and fill in the top part of that snow globe for the sky. You're going to want to leave a little uneven white section at the bottom that's going to be our snow later on. Once my blue sky was in place and still wet, I took a dry, large round brush and I picked up the paint off of the left side in a curving motion to create the shine that the glass would have on the snow globe. For this next step, I drew out my penguin with my pencil. I just created kind of like a raindrop-ish shape for the penguin's body, and then I took my black paint and I painted in the back half of the penguin, and I left his tummy and part of his face white. And then I added in a little yellow beak and some yellow feet. And then you'll see me add at the very end of this step, I added in his black fin coming up toward where I want my Christmas tree and ornaments to be. I also created a natural shadow underneath the penguin by taking a damp round brush and blending out the black paint of the penguin onto the snow beneath him. Now it's time to paint in the Christmas tree next to our penguin. I started with a light wash of green paint and I just tapped in a very loose shape of an evergreen tree. I left a lot of blank space so that there would be room to place in our ornaments later on. You can also do this by adding in the ornaments first and then painting in the Christmas tree around them. Either way works. This time I did it the tree first and then I did the ornaments. And then let this section dry, and then we're going to come back and we're going to create a second layer of green paint around the ornaments, again just to help bring the tree to life and to also kind of help the ornaments pop out. The last thing I added to the scene in our snow globe is a tangled up mess of Christmas lights. For this step, I just took a black pen and drew in some curvy, wavy lines going all over the place around each other in a little ball shape. And then I took some yellow, red, and green paint on the very tip of my brush, and I tapped in the lights all around those line areas. We are now going to take our size 6 round brush and fill it up with some Payne's Gray paint, and we are going to fill in the base of our snow globe. I started by filling it in all evenly, and then I added in just a little bit more water to make one side of the base lighter and the other side darker, just to give it a natural curved and shadowing look. Now we are going to take 2 scraps of paper and we're going to cover up our snow globe, and we are going to splatter red and green paint all over the Christmas card to finish off this look. Thanks so much for following along today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.